This video is made for educational purpose only with significant original text commentary.
Start recording emergency video.
You can call the Jeff O'Neill Show anytime and leave a message at 669-ROCK.
I can't focus on what needs to get done.
He does have a stunt double for some season. I'm a woman.
Oh.
I would never have a stunt double. I would have a stunt triple. I'm serious. I would only use a stunt double for a client because the last time I cried, 2,000 casualties were reported.
Stupid ass.
That's him! That's him! That's him! That ain't me! He stopped in front of me! Fuck wrong with you? That's him! He stopped in front of me! That he didn't want to go nowhere! He slid in front of me! That's him! No, I'm not gonna sit at no red light, fuck that! On the next DLUV show, we're taking a little
Fucking asshole.
4th of July holiday while we are gone. You will hear some of the funniest moments on the DLUV show. I'm not gonna say happy 4th of July, everyone, but enjoy the time with the family, eat barbecue.
Fucking stupid ass.
He does have a stunt double for some season. I'm a woman. All of my stuff.
Oh.
I would never have a stunt double. I would have a stunt triple. I'm serious. I would only use a stunt double for a client because the last time I cried was 2,000 casualties were reported.
Fucking stupid ass.
That's him! That's him! That's him! That ain't me! He stopped in front of me! Fuck wrong with you? That's him! He stopped in front of me! Fuck that! He didn't want to go nowhere! He slid in front of me! That's him! No, I'm not gonna sit at no red light, fuck that! Dang, man, that motorcycle, man, dude. I was getting over too, but he was in a little lane.
And it didn't feel like what we were building up to. It was almost sort of.
Это я считаю крайне ненормально.
Ебать, нахуй подрезает.
Не, в натуре классно. Заебись. Четко. Умеете. Могете.
We've seen that 97% of you watching aren't subscribed. If you enjoy watching us, just hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to never miss any upload. And if you have crazy footage, submit your videos using the link in the description.
And I'm done.
okay?
This feature at widowconnection.com. Never feel like you're fighting a battle? We're here to remind you that your battle belongs. Count on us to remind you of what's true. We're 90.1 FM, Moody Radio.
So the Grapevine is a 4,000-foot climb.
Why is that included in the deal?
Because it's a 1960s era American V8, and I know what I normally do on downhill.
Holy
which is revs of
Are you? Go ahead with that, motherfucker.
Stupid mother. God damn.
Westbound near Tidewater Drive. This has now been pushed off to just the left shoulder, but heavy delays are still back there before Norview, and actually there is a crash in those delays. It's near.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Thanks for coming.
Good thing that the kid and Kershaw weren't playing for the Red Sox, because they would have traded them both for.
He ever got to meet Clayton Kershaw, so his 10-year-old grandson was standing in for him as he was announcing why he was there, and you see Clayton Kershaw, when the boy begins to cry, get up and do what you would hope every athlete that you like would do. Clayton.
This picture about baseball, that it is a love of a sport that's passed down from generation to generation. After the Red Sox finally won the series in '04, you'd hear stories of people that sat in the stands with their take the program or take some other memento and just sit there with them. Did you do that, Mike?
I did. I brought the final scorecard from Busch Stadium, the old Busch Stadium, in 2004, with a little canister of infield dirt that I scooped up from the infield there after the game was over and left it.
fucking exit. Exit. Get your ass back. This is the exit. This is a damn exit. Back your damn ass up. This is the exit, man. Liberty Freight Transport, MC 105555. Or 105555. 105555. Whatever. This is the exit, man. Entrance is over there. All the time in the world. Well, not literally, but get your ass back there and fucking back her up and wait if you want to come in the wrong way. But this is the exit. Exit. Literally says exit right there, I'm pretty sure. Does that say exit only? Probably. Exit only, dude. Literally says exit only.